our kitchen, beverage, and dessert workstation. First off, the overall dimensions. A length of 70 3/4 inches, depth of 31.5 inches. Overall height from the bottom to the highest point of the workstation, we have at least 55.5 inches. Measurements for the overshelf will include 29.5 inches in length by 12 inches in height. Those are measurements for the left and right bottom shelf. Measurements for the top shelf will include 16 inches in length by 12 inches in height. Those are the measurements for the left. Measurements for the center will be 12 inches in length by 24 inches in height. Last but not least, the depth of the shelf will be 11 3/4 inches. 11 3/4 inches applied to the left and right top of the shelf. Coming to the far left corner will be the area for your ice, and the measurement for the drop bin will be 10 inches in length at 13.5 inches in depth and a height of at least 7 inches. There will be a drain underneath the bin, along with a slight door on top to cover your ice. For the left area will be your sink. Measurements will include 13.5 inches in depth, 7 inches in height by 13 3/3 inches in length. Drain stopper will be included as well. To the top will be your main faucet, while the overhead faucet that can operate simultaneously or separately. Coming to the bottom will be your temperature controller and adjustment to operate this workstation. Temperature can be adjusted whenever storage is in the bottom and refrigerating your products. The measurements for the bottom storage area will include 24.25 inches in depth, 50 inches in length, and a height of at least 22.5 inches. Also included will be one shelf that can be adjusted to your height of preference. The measurement of the shelf, 23.25 inches in depth by 24 inches in length. Coming to the top left area, there will be the drop in for your ice, along with a valve to drain the water or excess ice when they're not in use. And included will be the line and hoses for this workstation. Last but not least, workstation runs at 110 120 voltage, and the outlet cord is beneath on the bottom right corner, located within the compressor. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.